I mean, for me, it really helped me a lot. I had no idea what I was doing, and so this really I think it set me up for my future, 100%. I'm Levi Luker. I work at MachineWorks Incorporated, located in Sumner, Washington. The company I work for mostly manufactures parts for the military, the Navy specifically. So when I go in, my boss will tell me a job to do. Another employee will time me in, and I'll learn how to load that part and inspect it using dial calipers, micrometers, height gauge, telescoping bore gauges, basically a lot of precise measuring tools. I'm very comfortable with those. You know, I've learned a lot through Mr. Thomas and AJAC and my boss.
I'm Owen Archer. I'm currently enrolled into the AJAC Youth Apprenticeship program, and I'm working at American Structures and Design in Sumner. So at American Structures and Design, what I'll be doing is I'll be running CNC machines. They do everything with the aluminum to making railings and balconies. So just getting those parts ready to be delivered to wherever their final destination is going to be. So American Structures and Design manufactures aluminum railing. They do stainless steel cables, balconies, even like patio covers. So everything that you would kind of see when you're going around looking at apartments and you see all the railings on there and the balconies, that's probably made from a company like American Structures or American Structures.
I'm Oscar Ramirez. I work at MetalTech in Auburn, Washington. At my company, what I do for my apprenticeship is I run parts in a CNC machine and make sure that the parts are to tolerance and measure every part. I use manual mills, lathes, CNC lathes, and CNC mills. So the company I work for makes a lot of different products. They make aerospace products, but they also do mass production products. So they have an assembly line, a welding, machining. So they all combine and make a part. It's not a specific, but they make a lot of different parts.
Yeah, so with even just with the Boeing internship and just Core Plus Aerospace and AJAX, it's kind of helped me shift out of that high school mind and more into that like adulthood where you start getting treated more like an adult and you realize how what the real world really is, and not everyone necessarily is going to care about you, so you have to make sure you get your word out there and you let people know. So all of this has kind of made me grow up a little bit more, mature more, and realize what the real world's going to be like.
My name is Evan Thomas. I teach advanced manufacturing and machining at the Pierce County Skills Center. I'm also an AJAC graduate of 2017 and have been teaching with AJAC for about the last 7 to 8 years. The AJAC program specifically allowed me to not only find a career that I was passionate about, it also helped me be a part of a lot of different jobs that shaped the world. In 2018, when I was an apprentice at Machinists Incorporated, I was able to personally machine the gears that spin the renovated Space Needle around. Those will be parts that'll be on the Space Needle for the next 100 years, perhaps. So it'll be a legacy that I will leave for my family. And it was all helped and provided with the opportunity that AJAC offered me.